Hey guys, I got a little flack in my TV shooting iron. So I'm having my son shoot the same gun. Full house 357 Magnum loads in it right now, 158 grain bullet. And he's going to take a few shots. And then we're going to shoot some powder puff 38s.
And I've never shot it before, so this will be fun.
Yeah, he's never shot a Magnum before. Should be interesting.
Do I gotta cock it?
No.
Alright.
Squeeze the trigger.
Whoa. It's a nice kick. Me likey. Oh, I love how it makes shit fly. 6 shots or 5?
There's 6 in there.
Alright, so I got one more.
So now you got an idea what it looks like to actually shoot a 357.
Oops.
Okay, he needs training.
I handle game guns mostly.
Yeah, he's one of them silly gamers. Don't know what a real gun is, so we're teaching him. So now we've got powder puff 38s in there.
Oh yeah, that's way less kick.
And there you go. You kind of get the idea. Yeah, I'll teach him how to use the ejector rod.
Oh.
It's not a game gun. See you later, guys.